Hey, what's up? I'm Liz, the Split Say DIY, and I just wanted to make a quick video to note a slightly minor accomplishment for the channel. The channel hit 5K subs, which is insane, I think. Because when I started this thing, I didn't really have any expectations. I just wanted to start making videos again, because I had made videos when I was in school and I really hadn't done it since graduation, and I just wanted to like work on projects, and it's just kind of crazy, like 5,000. That's a really insane number. I try not to look at the numbers too much, and you can probably tell that by some of my view counts, but like this is just for fun. But like I did notice the other day, like, oh, I'm almost at 5K, that's crazy. I just posted that on Twitter, and then a bunch of people like retweeted it and were saying like, oh, get her to 5K, and it was really awesome. So thank you if you were a part of that, and welcome if you're a new subscriber. So I just kind of wanted to say thank you for sticking around and subscribing and all that jazz. And I also kind of want to say, kind of in honor of this kind of moment for the channel, I was kind of thinking about doing this even before I saw that we reached 5K, was for the end of the year. I kind of want to do like a Q&A video slash like larger scale thank you video, and so because of that, if you leave a question down in the comments here, or I'll also have posts on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and all that. If you want to leave a question that you want me to answer, do that and I will answer it in the video. I thought it'd be kind of cool to do because I've never really talked about like production stuff or things like that. I keep it fairly business on the channel, so I thought it'd be kind of cool to do something a little bit more personable. But with all that being said, of course, if the questions are weird, they will be ignored. So, you know, keep it normal. So that's going to be towards the end of December, kind of coincide with the new year and everything. So keep an eye out for that and leave those questions down in the comments for this video. For the end of the year, there's going to be some cool videos I think out. Got a teardown that I'm currently editing right now. Got some NeoPixel projects, can't go wrong with that. Of course, the holidays are coming. I do have at least one holiday project that will be happening. Blitz Badge City does have a sequel coming. And a little bit of a spoiler, it works now. So be sure to stay subscribed so that you'll see those coming up very soon. That's gonna do it for this video. Just a quick little announcement slash thank you slash yay video. Leave any questions down in the comments that you want me to answer in the upcoming Q&A video. Thank you for watching, and seeing you real soon with some new projects and other fun things. So, bye!